Mitranam, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is your education channel, your presenter Dr. J. Mitro, we are continuing our fascinating series of Indian Punjab or East Punjab or Purbi Punjab, that is Mashriqi Punjab. And there are four Punjabs, and we are talking about Punjabi speaking Punjab, the Indian Punjab, East Punjab. Part 4 of the series is physiographic regions, that is physical geography, how the land looks like, the mountains, rivers, the water bodies and oceans, plateaus, plains, peneplains, pimons, so on. Physical geography. Particular title is the natural boundaries. This is the Punjab, round about 50,000 square kilometers, 50 units of post-Radcliffe Bharat, truncated Bharat. 3200 is Bharat today, 50 units the land, that is the East Punjab. And I have posted in the first part the physical geography of East Punjab, 13 regions. Now, what are the natural boundaries? I do not mean the political boundaries, the natural geographic regions that surrender East Punjab is the topic of discussion. I have identified round about 17 or so. These regions or approximations can slightly overlap. You have to keep in mind. That particular part I will discuss after this presentation. You will look Punjab surrounding areas. Mitranam, this is our Punjab series. You are aware the land of Sheri Punjab and Ranjit Singh and Dharmagurus. We are in part 4, natural boundaries of East Punjab region. Excuse me. And I have others, provincial series, state series, Karnataka series, Telangana series, Haryana series, that is the many presentations on city district of Simandhra Pradesh, Dakshina, Deccan, Rayalaseema, Andhra Pradesh today, Tamil Nadu series, and British Punjab and Punjab History Geography, Kerala series, Maharashtra series, Himachal series. This is the Bengal Presidency series and United Provinces. You can go and look all of them at my Intellectual Kshatriyas Education channel. These are all the playlists. You can see the diverse topics of Indology, human ecology, geography, culture, railway lines, battles, wars, treaties, and so on. All you can look at the South Asia Maps JRD YouTube channel. These are the playlists, around about 60 or so. That means I have binned these 550 videos in these 60 units, each around about 10 12 or so. You can pick and choose the point of your interest. South Asia Maps JRD. Mitranam, there are three Punjabs east of the Radcliffe line. The Punjabi speaking Punjab, Haryanvi speaking Punjab, Kangri or Pahadi speaking Punjab, the Himachali Punjab. We are looking at the physical boundaries of Punjab, East Punjab. There are four Punjabs here. We are taking this East Punjab 50 units. This is 55 units. This is 44. This is 200 units. That is 1000 square kilometers across the partition line. Here I will list out and dilate a little, and I will also take you to actual physical regions and show you so that you will get a clarity. Why I started from bottom to top 1 to 9, then because I started naming like top to bottom to like this, that's the region. So there is no other region. So when I started, it was a little easy so that I can make the audience more comprehensive. So there are 13 physiographic regions of Purbi Punjab. I discussed. You can look at part 1. So these are cultural regions. Now here I mentioned. Malwa region, Pavad region, Bist Doab region, and Upper Bari. This dark area is the East Punjab, Purvi Punjab. So we have Cholistan is the region. This is the, you have to remember, this is the Gagar river, this is the Sutlej river. Cholistan is south of Sutlej river. Excuse me. Cholistan region is south of the Sutlej river. The historic Bahawalpur princely state. Bahawalnagar, Bahawalpur, and Rahim Yar Khan, all those areas, Cholistan part 1. Next, you have the Doab region between the two rivers, Doab, Sutlej, originally Bari Doab region, the Ravi and Beas, because Beas is now a dead river that joins Sutlej, change the course at Harike. So the term continued, that is the Bari Doab. Now the Bari Doab means here between the Ravi river and Beas river, because Beas continues with Sutlej between the Sutlej river and Ravi river downstream. Remember, the part 2 is the Barido. It has a two parts again, the Bar region. What is the difference between the Bar region and the Doab region? Doab is between the water bodies, between the two rivers. Here, the Ravi river and Sutlej river. That's the entire is the Barido. What is the Bar region? Bar region, historically, when there was less population, is an elevated region, the jungly type of territory where there was not much population. People used to pastoralist at that time, used to take their cattle there and graze there, and mostly wilderness, wilder habitat. Maybe certain habitations are there. So that's essentially Bar region. So I will post other presentation extensively, but that is suffice for the audience. Doba region, Bar region. Bar region means a part of the Doab in the central part, elevated, jungly type of historical region, you can say. So that Bari Doab has a southern part Nili Bar, northern part Ganji Bar. So because the dividing line is river Beas, north part is the Ganji Bar, southern part is the Nili Bar. So this is the Lalpur Shahiwal region. This is the Burewal, Arifwala, Kasur, and so all those regions. Now in the West Punjab, the Nilibar, that is the part 3, the Ganjibar. Sorry, Nilibar, Ganjibar in the Baridob. So we covered that. Then the Rechna Doab. You can see the Rechna Doab. This is the Rechna. Bars I put it here so that you don't miss the number 5. Rechna is the river Ravi and Chenab, Rechna Doab. That entire central part is the bar called Sandal bar. Easy to remember. PQRS. R is Rechna Doab, S is Sandal bar. You can see that. This one, the north of the Sheikhpura, Nankana Sahib, Sialkot, and Gujranwala, Wajirabad, all those regions, Faisalabad downstream. That is the Rechna Doab and Sandal bar. Here I have put Chas Doab or Ches Doab or Jech Doab, even though it's not contiguous to East Punjab, to make the story complete. The western part is called Kirana Doab bar and eastern part is called Gondal bar. I have not shown here, but to make the story complete, but it's not included here. So we have the Rechna Doab Sandal bar. Then the north of Pathankot, you can see the Jammu region, Jammu, Katwa, and all those areas. Then the Piedmont region, Sivaliks region, that is the Kashmiri Sivaliks, Jammu Sivaliks. They merge into West Punjab Sivaliks, the Murray, Rawalpindi, Attock, all those areas further down. It's not point. So that the Jammu Piedmont. Then north of Pathankot, east Ravi basin, that is the Chamba, Dalhousie. Dalhousie is not exactly in the basin, but Chamba region, Brahmore and Bara, Barabangal, those regions. So I covered elsewhere in the Himachali region, you can see. So then we have the Kangra. Kangra Valley is nothing but up region of Beas Valley, the Kangra, Palanpur, Jogindanagar, eventually Mandi region and Suket region goes to Kulu Valley until the Rohtang Pass. So that's that Kangra Valley. We are only interested in the upper region, near Pong Dam and all this. So you have the 9 regions here. Start with the 10. Of course, you have the Sivaliks 10. I don't know why I put 10A is Sivaliks. Oh, okay, 10A is Siwaliks. This region is also 10B is also Siwalik, south of Sutlej, north of Sutlej between Beas. I have not shown 10B. I should have put it there. This. So next we have the Son Valley. We have a Siwaliks here. 12 is the Shola Singhi ranges. Why I have put it? Because even it is a eastern part of east side of East Punjab, that is in the Himachal Pradesh, that the Yuna, Amb and all those areas. 12 between them there is a Swan Valley. The river that is a tributary of Sutlej River, giant Sutlej, near Anandpur Sahib, that area. So that why Sivaliks, Shola Singhi and Swan. So Sivalik, Solaswingi, and Swan. You got it? And this is the, of course, the Ghaggar River, seasonal river. Downstream is called Hakra River. So we have then Saraswati Plains. So this is the Sivalik Saraswati Plains. That is the Saraswati Plains is the Haryanvi region, that is the southern parts of Ambala district, and that is the Saraswati Plain, northern parts of Pehowados region. Further, much of the Haryana is Kurukshetra Plains here. This is the much of the Haryana region is Kurukshetra Plains. Northern part is the Ambala Plains, sometimes called Saraswati Plains, Kurukshetra Plains. 15 is the Gaggar Nali. Nali is around about 5 to 10 kilometers either side of the river. It's called Bet region. There is the new alluvium, that is the Khadar region. And because the Gaggar is called locally Nali. Nala is a river, Nali is the area, alluvium. So entire all this, the Patiala district and Mansa district and all those areas here. Sangruri area, certain parts. So there is the Gaggar Nali. Rohi is the seasonal river like Gaggar and so on, they form fatal area. This is Roli, Kalanwali Rohi, that is the Sirsha region adjoining. So that is 16 Rohi region. And the southern part of sandy plains of Punjab is called Bagar region. Eroded, much eroded, denuded, sandy, more Bagar region. They extend into the Ganganagar, Gang plains or Ganganagar region, Hanumangarh region, and Anupgarh region. So those south of the Malwa plains. So that is the 17th. So all this I have shown here, and you can natural boundaries. And here I have put, I have started, I will started making but not posted yet West Punjab region. So there are 18 geographic zones. That is not the point right now in the Pakistan Punjab here, West Punjab, Maghrebi Punjab. The point I am trying to tell for the audience is this is the Doab, Sutlej River, Ravi River. That's the Bari Doab, because the Beas and Ravi Bari Doab continues after Beas joins Sutlej. Visually imagine this is also Beas Sutlej Bari Doab. Doab is between the two Abs, two water bodies, two rivers. Doab, that is the Bari Doab. Northern part is Ganji Bar. It is the Nali Bar. Why this is Ganji? See, the old bed of Beas River is the dividing line. Historically, this is the jungly area, less settled by the people. Mostly people lived around the rivers, water is available, agriculture, farming. So this is the Nalibar, Ganjibar. That's what I am trying to show here. Again, this is the Rechna bar, Ravi river, Chenab river, Rachna or Rechna bar. And the elevated middle port is the Bar region. That is the Doab region. This is the Bar region, Bari Doab region, Bar region. So you can see very easily. So this is the Chaz Doab, Jech Doab, and Kirana Bar. I didn't show his Gondal Bar to show you the difference. That's what the point here in this presentation. So if you see the political map, you don't see much about the land, so that I am showing how the geographical, physiographic regions, natural boundaries, they affect the history, geography, culture. If you want to understand, you have to understand them more easily. The drawing of the Sutlej River, that is the boundary between Ranjit Singhs. Why Kangra was part of East Punjab. Ranjit Singh conquered the Katoch dynasty, Maharaja Katoch and uh, dynasty. This is the Dogra Raja, Gulab Singh Dogra Rajesh. He has the boundary, the hilly region, terrain, the Jhelum boundaries, Ravi boundaries. All these things play important, though they are physical geographies. they influence the role. That is the point. So if you look here, you don't see much. You only see Potwar region, Potwar basin, and this the Peshawar basin and Kabul basin. So this is the Sivaliks here. So this is not the good map. I will show you other map. Only here you can see the Pong Dam here, Bakranangal Dam here, and the Jalandhar Doab or Bishtu Doab region, much Potwar region. So we'll go to other region, other maps where I will show you other important. So this is the better map. You will get a broader idea. So you can see the Kashmir Valley here, around about more than 2,000 meters above sea level, 1,500 meters also above sea level, and Simla is 22 meters sea level. Much of the Punjab, Ludhiana will be around about 250, same as around about Delhi. Delhi ridge region may be around about 3 meters. I made it simple. Actually, it should be around about 318 meters or so. That is the broader idea. So this is the Purbi Punjab. You can see the Siva lakes here. This is the Shola Singhi here. The between is the Son Valley. And you can see the Gagar River here. You can see the Gagar River here. That's the Gagar Nali, the Gagar River here. Downstream, it is in the Bahawalpur region, Bahawalnagar, that is the Cholistan region. That is called Gagar River, Gagar River Nali here. And Kalanwali Rohi will be near Sirsa adjoining region, Mansa and Batinda, those regions, and Talwandi Sabha, those regions. And our point, this is the Ludia, this is the Lahore, that means this is the Sutlej River. Sutlej River, this is the Beas River. Remember, this is the Beas River joins this is the Harike Dam. You can see that dark, that is the Beas Sutlej joining point Harike. That means this is the Cholistan Desert. This is the boundary Cholistan Desert here, Cholistan. Because this is the Sutlej and this is the Sutlej River. This is the Ravi River. So this is the region, the Bari Doab. This is the Chenab River. So Bari Doab southern portion portion is the Nalibar, the northern portion is the Ganji. I will show you in the other, that's more clear. Because this is the Chenab River, very big river, where the Sutlej joins from the Panj Nadi. Even the Ravi joins in Chenab, the Jhelum joins in Chenab, the Atharan Hazari and then Ahmadpur Sial and Uch Serif Alipur. That is the joining points. So our point is this is the this is the Rechna Doab. We can see Lahore, this is the Gujranwala. So this is Sandal. R is Rechna Doab, Sandal. To complete the story, this is the Chaz Doab, Jech Doab, this is the Gondal Bar, Kirana Bar, Western side. So you can see this is the dam, that is the Ranjit Sagar Dam. And the Ravi River is the Jammu Hill region. Jammu Hills, Jammu Shiva Lakes. Then the West Punjab Shiva Lakes here. This region, the Murray and all those is the Atuk Plateau. So that's far away. So you can see the Ravi River Basin. You can see the Ravi River Basin. This is the Ravi, Barabangal and Brahmor, Barabangal, Brahmor, this region. North of Patankot. This is the Shiva Lakes. So because this is the Beas Dam, Pong Dam, so this is the Sutlej Valley eventually becomes the Kangra. That's the Kangra Valley, eventually becomes the Kulu Valley, the Mandi Suket regions. So this is the Rohtang Pass will be somewhere here. So this is the Shiva Lakes here. This is the Sholashigi here. Son River. Son River joins the Sutlej River in the Rupnagar district. Okay, that is the one. This is the Malwa, Punjab. This is the Shivaliks of Hoshiarpur Shivalik. This is the Chandigarh Shivaliks. Chandigarh Cholans, Hoshiarpur Cholans, Kandi region. This is the where the seasonal rivers chose flow and gully the region. So that this is the you can see the Nali, Gagar Nali region. That is the Bet region of Gagar River, also called Khadar region, New Alluvia. So this is the Ambala Plains, Saraswati Plains. This is the Kurukshetra Plains. And I think I covered all of them. And here we can see much more details here, broader. And we'll start with the Bakranangal Dam. This is the Pong Dam, Beas. This is the Ranjit Sagar and river. So you can see the Siva Lakes here and Sholashigi, Son River here. And this is the Chandigarh Cholans here. This is the Ludhiana. This is the Ambala. This is the Chandigarh. Chandigarh is in the sub-mountain region and the Piedmont region. Chandigarh Cholans. You can see this is the plains. This is the Ambala. So this is the Saraswati plains. This is the Kurukshetra plains further. So you can see here, I will show this the Gagar Nali and this the Bagar region further. I will show the bed. This is the Beas river. You can see the Beas bed here. Beas Harikepatan, Beas river here. That river continues here bed. So you can see this the entire is the Bari Doab now. This is the Bari Doab. Beas and Ravi river. Ludhiana, sorry, Lahore city, Amritsar city. This should be Kasur. This is the Firozpur. So the river Beas north is the Ganji bar, south is the Nili bar. So again you can go into this is the Rechna Doab because this is the Lahore and this is the Rechna. This is the Gujranwala. This should be the I think Lalpur. That's the Faisalabad, the Sandal bar here. This is the Chesdog, that is the Kiranabar, Gondalbar, that we are not that much. This is the Jammu Hills here, surrounding area. We saw this, the entire area is the Cholistan area. South of Sutlej River, Bahawalpur, Princely State. This is the Bahawalpur, this is the Bahawalnagar, Rahim Yar Khan somewhere here. This is the Multan River. So that is about the broader and understanding of the natural regions surrounding the fascinating Purbi Punjab, East Punjab, Beas River. This is the Sutlej River. This is the Cholistan. This is the Shahiwal region, Carnival. This is the one Doab, that is the in the Rechna Doab we have Nali bar, this is the Ganji bar and Sandal bar and all those. Bagar region, Cholistan, you can see uh, those regions we covered. So that is about the fascinating natural boundaries of East Punjab we discussed here. Mitrona, I hope this will give you a deeper, broader understanding of our four Punjabs. We are talking about East Punjab. See you later in other presentations. And my request is, if you like the presentations, you can like them and bring it to the notice of your friends. And you can also subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.